welcome and thank you for watching my videos. For today's video, I am introducing our goats, our new venture in farming. So please watch. This is our pregnant doe. And these are the doe and her kids. She have two kids, guys, that are all female. And these are our nannies. There are three, 1, 2, 3 at the letter. And there they are. The kids escape. The kids escape, guys. The two kids are very naughty. They escape. And this is bulldozer, our back. The other one. And these are the nannies. And this is the other doe. And these are the kids. And this is the doe and her kid, her newborn. Okay, and they are drinking water, guys, because at the end of the day, if they are gathered after they roam around, they are given water for them to drink. Okay, that's the nanny or the doe and her kids. And that is back. And that is the back. That is bulldozer. Can you see that? He don't have horns. I don't know why. And these are the other there. And you know, this before we already have this a few years ago, the goats. But actually, we are not planning to make it as a business. We are just using this for our own consumption. But I suggested that we will grow them and we will make them as a business. And now we are multiplying them. We started with 3 nannies or 3 does and 2 bucks, but now they are already, we have already 5 kids or 5 small goats, and they are all female. So we're hoping they will multiply. And this is the doe with her kid. They are drinking water. They are with the basket ducks and little chickens, but we are planning to separate them, guys, because they are already growing in numbers, so we have to separate them. The goats have already their own loafing shed, but they are in the same area. The area is very huge, guys, for them to roam around. And these are, here they are. This is our place. This is the farm for our coffee trees and banana trees. That is a bulldozer is drinking water. So they can roam around freely, guys, because this is our property and this is surrounded with fence. So they cannot disturb others. We cannot disturb someone's property because they are inside our property. So it's no worries if they multiply in numbers because we have enough space for them. Actually, this one is their loafing shed and not yet done. There they are drinking water. That's why, actually, guys, this farming is not expensive. Why? Because they are vegetarian, so you can just feed them with grasses, ipil-ipil leaves, or you can grow your madre de agua, mulberry, or they also eat azolla, guys. And you can give them also the malunggay leaves or nappier, the purple nappier and the green nappier. If you have, or if you don't have, you can grow them so that you can feed your goats. So it's a very progressive farming. And this, we have their sensor light for them at night, and we have this loafing shed that under construction. And this can you see the fence? They are secured with fence, guys. So it's no worries for them to destroy someone's property, and they are also secure. So please follow my channel, guys, and we will enjoy farming. God bless us. Thank you so much, guys.